Hey everyone, Adrienne here, Indiana Backyard Gardener. I am coming back with the second video for the seed mail for the IBG seed swap. I'm hoping I can get through this one without it being super long, but yeah, I do have a lot of seeds to get through. So I have a couple of envelopes that are actually seed orders. Oh, I just let these all fall out. So maybe I'll do those separately. I think I'm just gonna do seed swap mail. I'll separate the seed order seeds into a different video because it's just a lot. All right, so this one is, some of these I have traded with, I have swapped with on other platforms like Facebook and Listia and different places. So some of these are not actually seed swap mail, but they're like seed swaps that I've done on the side. So this one is Orange Dream Micro Dwarf Tomato. Okay, and then this one is Nano's Meatball Dwarf. It's also a dwarf tomato. So there's two dwarf tomatoes there. I know a couple people had dwarf tomato on their list. So that's those. This one is called Shadow Boxing Dwarf Tomato. Okay. Shadow boxing, that's interesting. These are butterfly pea seeds. I thought that was an interesting way to put the seeds in there. So yeah, butterfly pea seeds. I believe this one is an entry for the seed swap. Pretty sure it is. All right, so this is mixed flowers. I'm gonna set these here and then put them back in the envelope as I go. All right, so mixed flowers, cilantro, dill, more mixed flowers. This is mullein, German chamomile, lots of mullein, white French lavender, a few of those white French lavenders. Okay, I know a few people that are trying to grow lavender. Dr. Witchy's tomatoes, and there's a few of those. Okay, now the Dr. Witchy's I did not have. I didn't have those. I've never grown the Dr. Witchy's. I know that everybody was growing them last year, and I never grew them. And then here is some more chamomile. So that's that one. All right, so the next one here, next one I have is, okay, this is the Summer Varieties Organic Seeds Variety Pack. So it doesn't say on the outside what's inside, so we're going to go ahead and open it, and we're going to see what's inside. All right, so this is Moon and Stars Watermelon, Black Beauty Zucchini, Galilee Spinach, Now that one I've never heard of, Galilee. So it's a heat tolerant true spinach variety. Okay. Interesting. Heat tolerant spinach. Hale's Best Jumbo Cantaloupe. Genovese Basil. Market More Cucumber. These are, I'm actually going to grow this year too. Pink Brandywine Heirloom Tomato. Utah Celery. Roma Tomato. Shishito Pepper. Toma Verde Tomatillo. And Cal Wonder Bell Peppers. So that is a great summer variety right there. Okay, so these next two are from the same sender. Okay. This one is the Mortgage Lifter Tomato. And there's a few of those. Siberian Tomato, which I believe is a more like on the cooler side. It can tolerate a little bit more cooler weather, I believe. So there's a few of those, and then we have Golden Acre Cabbage, and we have a few of those. All right, so that's that one. Okay, so the next one is this one I've already done. This one is also a trade that I did elsewhere. And this is 200 organic wheatgrass seeds. If anybody's ever had those little wheatgrass shots that you get like at the health store, yeah, so wheatgrass. If anyone's tried to look it up, wheatgrass is supposed to be pretty good for you. All right, this next one is, I'm pretty sure I did this one already. I don't know. Now I can't remember, but if just in case I haven't, we've got maroon hollyhock, white marigold, Thai basil, red coxcomb, sweet basil, red coxcomb, maroon hollyhock, scallop squash, white marigold, scallop squash, red celosia, and Thai basil. All right, so that was that one. All right, this next one is milkweed, sweet mini mixed peppers, red, orange, and yellow. Cilantro. This is jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. Those are some big seeds. Dill. White Lisbon bunching onions. Loofah. Rainbow radish. Morning glory. Heavenly blue morning glory. Snowball cauliflower. Danvers half-long carrots. German thyme. And purple turnip. So that's it. All right, so that is going to do it for that video. I'm going to go right into another video with the seeds that I have ordered. So stay tuned for that one. And until next time, the more you know, the more you grow. Bye, guys.